Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a super easy homemade lassi at home. So you're not going to need a lot of things. You're just going to need some things that you can find in your home. So let's get started. So the things that you need are a blender, some curd. I'm using here this milk waste farm fresh curd. You can also say this as dahi. I'm using this, and some rose syrup. This is also known as ruhabza. You need some ruhabza, half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a glass of water with some ice. So let's get started. Here I have my blender. First, we are going to pour some curd in here. Now I'm going to blend this until it gets a smooth batter. So here it's formed into smooth batter. Now we are going to pour some milk, some water, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Some rose syrup. This is 5 tablespoons. Now let's start blending. And I think our lassi is ready. So guys, our lassi is ready. Now I'm gonna serve this. Taking 1 teaspoon of ruhabza. Just going to ganache this. So now let's pour the lassi into it. And ta-da! Our lassi is ready. Serve this hot. So guys, make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share. And bye!